CarPlay Android Auto works. We have 2016 Mercedes-Benz S600. We are doing a CarPlay Android Auto made by Naviks. Alright. So it comes with a T-harnesses, module.
Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA Car Kit.
Alright. So we're gonna have to remove this center dash because the actual head unit is behind this cup holder here. So we're gonna get to that. First step is to remove this back of the armrest here. There is an air vent. You use a panel popper or you can use your finger. There's a little gap there. You simply pull this toward to you and lift it up. There is a little hook there. As you can see, there's a little lip there. So that has to go in like this. So then you're gonna disconnect the plugs. To remove these plugs, right at my fingertip there is a little push tab. I'm going to show you once I get it out. You push inward towards the wire and pull. See this tab right here? You are basically pushing that little heavy right here inward to release the plug out. There's another one on the other side. You do the same thing. You push right here. There you do it. After you remove this air vent, next step is to remove this silver trim. This is overlapping. It just comes off. No special trick. And after that, you're gonna grab this from the side and you pull straight forward toward to you. But you gotta remember, these are a little bit wider, taller. So you're gonna have to pull and you're gonna have to clear that corner. Kind of lift it up. Can you do me a favor? Can you do that? It's kind of tight. Let me put the seat up. Move the seat up a little bit. Put your hand underneath and you just pull. Okay? So again, this part here is going to hit this top. So as you lift it up, you are clearing this opening right here. In order to do that, you're going to have to remove the silver trim first. Then this comes out. The reason we are taking this one out is because we're going to have to remove the armrest. Right, so once you have this out, there are two Torx number 30 right there, facing toward to the rear. You're going to remove them. There's a one on each side, obviously. Next step is to open up this cup holder. We're going to remove this. There's a little release tab here. Remove that. Underneath, there's a rubber mat. We're going to remove that rubber mat. Under part of it, you can see two Torx screws down there, one on each side. So we're going to remove that. Those are also Torx number 30. Alright, so next one is you're going to open this ashtray here. On both sides, there is a Torx screws
Prende el carro, prueba el aire, que todo funcione.
One right here and another one on the other side, obviously. So we're gonna remove that. What number was that? Torx 20. We're gonna remove 2 Torx T20. You gotta lift this bottom part down. You gotta do it. I can't do it. We're gonna push down, push in a little bit, and the other hand, you're gonna push this panel down to remove that. And you gotta put this in, or no, the bottom panel has to come down. Yep. And we're gonna disconnect that plug. Alright, so once you have all the bolts out, you're gonna lift up from the back. After you get this thing out, you're gonna remove the CD player, DVD player, whatever it is. And underneath, there is a Torx screws right there. That's a T30. You're gonna remove that. After you remove these T30s, entire center dash can be removed. Carefully pry toward to the rear to release. We're gonna remove this because it's kind of in the way. So just push the tabbies and release that cable. This right here in the middle. Get out. So this has to be unplugged. Can you undo this one right here? These has to be undone because these are preventing from this whole entire dash to come to the rear. So now you can pull out the whole thing like that. Alright, so once you remove that, let's see if you can get rid of this center dash. Alright, so once you have this center dash out of the way, there are 2 Torx screws here, one on each side. I'm going to remove that. There's Torx T number 30 also. 20. So after you remove them, you pull this entire tuner pack out. See how this lever is locking in place? So once you remove the T20s, you can pull out like this. Be careful. There's a lot of lines under there. I guess that's for like a heater or air conditioner. Be careful. Alright, so once you have the radio out, there is a main P harness. You're gonna unclip, remove, and it should be a video cable. Alright, so we're gonna take the video cable out. There's a little locking pin. We press down to release. No, that's the top one, isn't it? Or is it on the bottom? Alright, so it's on the bottom. That push tab, you push inward to release. Then on this main power cable, here is a fiber optic. You're gonna have to release that tab. That release tab right there. You're gonna push upward to release that orange fiber optic cable. And that needs to be plugged into the T harness that comes with Naviks module. So fiber optic cable that came off from the original one, you put it to the T harness. Make sure it goes to the outer side one, not the inner side one. There are 4 holes there. Make sure it goes here. And this goes back into the factory radio. That's not in. You gotta open that more. No, that you gotta open it wide, otherwise it's not gonna go in.
This is all the way open.
No, it's gotta go out like more. Yep. No. If you don't open it, it won't go in. Yep, that's it. Okay, then this male side and female side plugs into there. Like that. It's supposed to be a cable. Right, so video cable T harness plugs in, male and female plug into the blue connectors. The other end, male side, goes into the radio. And we need an antenna. This antenna, you can just put it on the unit and bury behind. Everything works. So you don't have to run this outside. This antenna here. You just tuck it behind. Alright, so we're just gonna test try. Get the return key for a few seconds. You gotta hit this return key for about 5 seconds. So from there, you're gonna hit this return key to activate it. It's EWCP. Stereo Android Auto. Okay, so that works. Volume. Turn the volume up. Came with the aux cable, but we're gonna try factory Bluetooth to see if it can make the audio working. Okay, so connecting is the knob. Right. All right, here's what we had to do. There's a little dilemma pairing the music for the car side. First, we pair the Android Auto or CarPlay, and we went back to the car's Bluetooth device and try to pair the Bluetooth from it. It won't do it. So what we had to do is we had to unpair Android Auto, get rid of it, then go back out to the car's Bluetooth, go to media, you click that, search for the device, connect your phone, make sure the Bluetooth audio is working from your cell phone. Then you go back out to Android Auto, press and hold, pair your Android Auto after you pair the Bluetooth music from the car side. Now the music works. Before, I couldn't play music. There's a space on the part of a cup holder, and that's where we're going to put the module at. You just reverse what we did, put 2 screws holding onto the tuner pack. Connect the other plug on the back? Yes. There are 2 of them, right? No, on the bottom first. Yep. Reverse work. CarPlay Android Auto works.